Hey class, how's it going? I'm Devin Brown. You've probably never seen a picture of me, so I don't expect you to know who I am. But this is my reflection video for week 4. I just want you to know if I look away, I'm just looking at my notes, so you probably can't read them, but I can. Here we go. So, as far as something new that I found about my industry in this class, I found Smashing Magazine, which is a website kind of deal that it is based off of web design and development, and that is my career field. And it's going to be really helpful for me in the future. Basically, I can go through and search by topic new articles that'll come out and keep current with everything that's going on. And as we all know, networking and being current and all of that is huge in all of our industries, no matter if you're in game development, web design and development, anything like that. It is important. So I was also able to do a lot more research on the history of web design and development. So there was a lot of stuff that I didn't know, like the beginning of HTML, the beginning of CSS, stuff like that. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but either way, I got to find out about my career field, and that was pretty interesting. This was the first class that I was able to do that in. And then the vocabulary, not just in mine, but I also did 2 other career fields, so I got to learn more about them too. So if I were to network with somebody in a different career field, I could talk to them in their own language, just like I would hope somebody could talk to me in my own language. Um, so this was the first class where I was able to be creative with my projects and explore my mind to imagine the future. And that was our week 2 project. That was with the 5 years in the future, 10 years in the future, and 25 years in the future. So I got to be as creative as I could, and that was a lot of fun for me. I saw this interview one time that talked about basically kids these days, they don't get to be creative anymore. They're expected to learn something, understand just that, and know how to find it, but not make anything new. So this class, being able to make something new and explore our minds, stuff like that, that was a lot of fun for me. And I really hope that later on I can do that with more of my classes. So I do definitely want to stay with my career field. I knew that before I even came into Full Sail. I knew what I wanted to do. I had finally decided on what I want to do with my life, and web design and development is where I want to be. I would not take anything out or remove anything from, or I would not remove anything or add anything to this course, quite frankly. With the limited amount of time that I really have in my life, being a full-time student, a full-time employee at Amazon.com, going to the gym 6 times a week, I don't really have much time for a lot of stuff. So I'm glad that this class was very straightforward and upfront with what they want you to do. That made me very happy. And it's not just this class. Every class I've had so far has really been able to work with me on the stuff that I can do regarding my timetable. I mean, basically that's all. I'm glad that I made it this far in this class. I'm glad that I have found Full Sail to begin with. And I hope that everybody here watching this right now is just as successful as I hope that I can be in my future. So thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your classes if I don't see you again, and hopefully I do. Make sure to add me on YouTube. This will be on my channel, and I will also put a link to my LinkedIn account on here. Even though I put it on my last week, I'll put it on here too, just so that you can network with me on there. Facebook, my name is on there. You can add me. And I'm going to let you guys go because I don't want to take too much time. So thank you all for watching, and have a great time here at Full Sail. Bye-bye.